Next is the field CBR test to determine the in situ CBR strength of the pavements. Initially we have conducted the laboratory CBR studies, now we are coming to the in situ CBR strength of the pavements. And we can see that with Coir geotextile and without Coir geotextiles, there is a difference in CBR values. That means the CBR is getting enhanced when we are using a Coir geotextile layer in the soil. The CBR values have been increased by around up to 63% CBR values have been enhanced. Depending upon the type of the soil, the CBR values may increasing depending upon the type of the soil. Next test is the skid resistance of the pavement. The results showing the control section and Coir geotextile section. We can see from the table that control section is having a less skid resistance when comparing to the Coir geotextile reinforced section. That means our roads are performing well in skid resistance parameter also. The concluding remarks is by characteristics deflection values is decreased by around 33.6 to 80%. Field density have been increased by 23.7%. IRI values have been decreased by 11.5 to 17.3%. Field CBR have been increased by 10 to 40%. That means our Coir geotextile reinforced roads are performing very well. The picture showing this Coir geotextile material have been excavated from the soil. After 5 years of construction, for conducting a test, we have dig this hole and we can find Coir geotextiles are lasting even after 5 years of the construction. The results of the study is showing that Coir in the form of a geotextile material is advantageous for strengthening the soil. Then CBR values can be enhanced up to 4 times. The CBR value of the specimen reached the highest value when the Coir geotextile was placed at the top of the soil subgrade. Based on the type of the geotextile and nature of the subgrade soil, the load bearing capacity of the road also getting enhanced. Provision of a layer geotextile at the interface between the subgrade and subbase reduces the deformation by 40%, which in turn results in the reduction of subbase thickness. Thereby we can reduce the cost of the construction. Then the maintenance cost is less considering the BBD results. Percentage reduction in rebound reflection ranges from 18 to 80%. DCP values are of the reduction is around 9.2 to 56 depending upon the type of the road and soil. Then the ultimately the geotextile reinforcement will enhance the life of Coir geotextile reinforced roads. Coir geotextile is having the advantage of cheaper than polymers. It lasts minimum up to 5 years in the consolidated conditions. Larger diameter and curvature, and it is having a very good advantages of being the natural material and strong among the other natural materials. This slide shows a study conducted, a report given by Kerala PWD department. The geotextile reinforcement were conducted in the NH17 at Kuttipuram, passes through a marshy area with soft silty clay up to 20 meter depth. Pre-consolidation techniques being expensive, stabilization of soil using Coir geotextile mesh has been provided. The road work was completed in the year 2015. The embankment stabilization using Coir geotextile was found to be successful and the road is in good condition after 3 years also. The roads are performing well. This a report have been given by the Kerala PWD department on use of Coir geotextiles in NH17. Okay.